the Mastercard, we are having orientation for the peer counselors and the peer mentors, and then we have also introduced a new group that we describe as ambassadors for the people with disability. The importance of this program is that we discovered that some of our scholars, they will need support. They will need some of their peers to be there for them. Since the counseling unit, we are very few, so we have been able to ask for volunteers, and there are some who have decided to volunteer to become peer counselors, and then their duty will be to refer issues, identifying some scholars who are in distress, and be able to refer the cases to us, the counseling unit, so that we will be able to help them. And then also we discovered that there are some that are academically, they are also weak, they are not strong. So the peer mentors are those who are experienced and knowledgeable, and then they will also be able to assist some of our weak scholars, especially the freshers, the new ones. When they come, they are not able to find a balance as far as their studies are concerned. So this, the peer mentors will assist them, will coach them, so that they'll be able to understand what they are being taught, and then be able to excel academically. And then since the introduction of the people with disability, also discovered that we need people who will be able to tolerate, be able to accommodate, be able to journey with people with disability. And so we have a cross-section of scholars who have also taken it up, and then they want to be ambassadors who will be helping our people with disabilities. So we have brought them together, and then to be able to give them some skills so that they'll be very effective in handling situations like that. So that's the purpose of bringing our scholars for this 2 days, more or less, seminar to empower them to be of help to our scholars in their various capacities.
Hello everyone, my name is Augustine, a final year Mastercard scholar reading BA Economics.
My name is Nkrumah Menimam, a third year Mastercard Foundation scholar reading BA Economics.
The Mastercard Mentorship Program at KNUST is an integral part of the Scholars Program, which seeks to train and equip scholars with the knowledge and skills needed to assist their fellow scholars in their stay on campus.
Having been enrolled into this year's peer mentorship program as an ambassador for persons with disability, I've been equipped with the needed skills to assist my colleague scholars who are physically impaired.
This year, the peer mentorship training has equipped me to be in a position to help my fellow female scholars in their academic and social life on campus.
We, as ambassadors for persons with disability, we don't just barge in to help someone. We seek their consent before we help. Remember, there is nothing like disability, but the society created it.
My name is Stephen Ebuapa, a final year proud Mastercard Foundation scholar, reading a bachelor's degree program in business administration with human resource management as a field of specialization. Advocacy for cultural inclusion and diversity, which the Global Foundation seeks to achieve. The Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program at KNUST recruits students from various parts of sub-Saharan Africa. I had the opportunity once again to join the Mastercard Foundation Peer Mentorship Program at KNUST, of which I have been trained on how to embrace, accommodate, and welcome scholars from different cultural backgrounds.